we look at sort of over the last decade, cloud native infrastructures have been sort of very relevant, but it has been relevant in the context of what's popularly called in the industry software as a service platforms. We and Gravy have taken a rather unique approach to this, talking about infrastructure as a service. And I thought it may be useful for us to kind of double click into that. What is so unique about infrastructure as a service? What are the benefits of infrastructure as a service? And obviously, how does that all relate to ROI?
Yeah, so it's really interesting when you start unpacking and comparing infrastructure as a service to software as a service, and even to building in-house. And the benefits here are that infrastructure as a service allows you for greater customization and a more tailored solution to your business needs. And with infrastructure as a service, as you know this, resources can be easily scaled up or down based on demand, allowing for a more efficient use of your resources. And then don't forget that when it comes to infrastructure as a service, typically it follows a pay-as-you-go model, right? So businesses only pay for the resources they use, making it way more cost-effective. And when it comes to infrastructure as a service, you can easily integrate with your existing infrastructure. That's something you don't see so much with software as a service or when building in-house. So what that enables you is a much smoother transition with all the services that you might already be using. And the final one is control, which is a key one. You as a user, you will have more control over the underlying infrastructure, including security configurations, network settings, and deployment options.
I love that. And if I put my commercial hat on, I think one of the other big advantages that we're seeing is the data residency and the data localization sort of benefits of infrastructure as a service. So take, for example, one of our largest customers, the Woolworths Group, largest retailer, largest grocer in Australia. Their instances of Gravy are deployed in GCP or Google Cloud data centers in market, on soil in Australia. Again, from a latency, residency perspective, they are in market, serving the consumers in the market. Also, because the data never leaves the market, they're able to sort of meet any data localization or any promises they have to their consumers about ensuring their data is on soil. Similarly, we have customers in Europe and US where their instances of Gravy are deployed in data centers on soil. So not only like for our European customers that they meet GDPR, there is no commingling of data between those two instances. So in terms of sort of driving towards an issue in one instance has no impact to instances or the other instances of our customers, essentially reducing that risk of being a point of failure in the system. So again, really exciting, a rather unique approach. Obviously helps us from a commercial perspective as well in terms of showing that ROI, getting our customers comfortable with our approach.